Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope that you are really in your condition of view to watch and take attention to my video of speech that is going to be uttered through the method of seeing points that I have already reached. Ladies and gentlemen, in this kind of occasion, I would like to tell you about the topic of is it important for us to learn a second language? While I will bring the language is English itself. My speech is under the title, Why Should People Learn English? Is English really important for people? Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, as creature living in the 20th century where all things conducted in the international domain and globally. The existence of a language that is used to unite all countries becomes the primary or the most important thing to be owned by most countries in the world. What is it for anyway? It is exactly for communication. It is exactly for interaction that is going to be done by people in the next time. Ladies and gentlemen, English as the international language we have already known becomes the main language to communicate among others in all countries in the world. Why is it so? Because English is accepted to be the main language for all 53 countries to communicate each other. Why should we use English? Why isn't it another language? The fact says that English is such more important than other language, and English is such easier to be learned by other people, such as where our local language is not anyway English, and we learn English as our second language. Through the fact, there are some benefits where we can get it when we learn English. The first is that as international language. Ladies and gentlemen, the position of English as international language becomes the main thing where we could anyway have an interaction with others. Why is this kind of interaction important, ladies and gentlemen? Anyways, we can take many things, many positive things from communication. And we use the communication by English. We could interact with other people coming from abroad with English. That's why we could get many beneficial things from English itself. The second point, open the possibility to get a good work. Ladies and gentlemen, as we have already known that some work fields make English to be the requirements of those people who want to be hired. Why is it so? It is also related with the position of English as the international language itself. All developed countries, all developed places, all developed workplaces are putting English as the main language where we could be like searching for many things with that. It can be like a reference of working maybe and other things. And for the next, it is going to be helping us in learning. Why is it so, ladies and gentlemen? Because the fact that says references or sources of learning coming from abroad is so much better than existing in our country. Those people, those researchers, those writers who are coming from abroad are having higher capability than our writers or our learners. It becomes the main reason why it is important for all students in the world to learn English, while they can anyway search any references of learning from knowing English itself. It can be formed as such an online website and online application that we can anyway operate by using English itself. Moreover, nowadays, there are many technologies and other things which are commonly used by people is based on English. And it also becomes the reason why English holds the most important thing, the most important language, the most important second language to be learned by all people, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, I would proudly say that all people is a must to learn English as their second language, with the mindset that English is going to be the tool, or is going to be the path where they could do something much better than they could do with their own language itself. Maybe that's all what I can deliver to you. I hope that you are getting such many beneficial things from my explanation, from my speech itself. Thanks a lot for your attention. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.